Okay, everyone, we're on page 193, the story entitled Dignitas, from which we get our word, obviously, dignity. It means dignity, prestige, honor, influence, something like that. The first few lines here we did as snakes last Thursday, but I'll zip through those pretty quickly here, and then I'll slow it down as we hit line 3 or 4 or so. Okay, so the Roman citizens, after the arch was dedicated by the emperor, celebrated for 4 festive days. Literally, they celebrated 4 holidays, we would say. They visited temples in order that they might give thanks to the gods. They filled the Circus Maximus daily in order that they might, and we actually stopped there with the snake, so I'll slow it down here. So they filled the Circus Maximus daily in order that, okay, we've got our purpose clause here. Why did they do that? In order that they might spectarent what? The ludos. These are the games, which included mostly chariot racing. What kind of games were they? They were magnificos and they were editos. The note gives you that. That is a PPP. And they're editos a consulibus. Remember the consuls, the 2 Roman consuls, chief magistrates in the city. Okay, what else did they do during this period of um, 4 celebration days? Ad arcum ipsum conveniebant. You can probably sense this coming. Why did they do that? Ut figuras in eo, and that eo refers to the arch. We'll just say it in eo. Figuras sculptas. Why did they do it? Inspicerent the figuras in eo sculptas. Okay. Um, Getting more personal with Salvius, plurimi clientes. Notice the superlative, please. Plurimi clientes. What did they do? Domum Salvii veniebant. Qui, what kind of people were these clients? We think it's going to be a relative clause describing who they were, but what we realize looking ahead is that it's with a subjunctive verb, so it's going to tell us not who they were necessarily, but why they were um, domum savi veniebant. Qui gratulationes ei to him, that is to Salvius, facerent. Facerent here is going to mean give instead of make. I think you'll find it makes better sense if you say it means in order to give or who might give. Salvius ipse affectus est. Hopefully that will ring a bell, that 2 word form. Sumo gaudio affectus est. Why? Quod imperator arcum haterii valde, that means just very much, and you'll take that with the verb, laudaverat. Okay, Salvius is super excited because the emperor has approved in glowing terms Haterius's arch. Okay, apud with the person, remembers that at that person's house, at Haterius's house, Tamen, nullae voces, genitive gratulantium. Okay, this is a little tricky. This is we saw this before, the genitive plural of the present participle. Here we're going to say of those congratulating, nullae voces, of those congratulating, auditai sunt. Okay, notice the auditai because the word voces is feminine plural, auditai sunt. Neque, remember, is neither nor. Neque clientes, neque amici, ab eo, and eo here refers to Haterius. Again, they're hitting you with the 2 word forms here. Admissi sunt. Admissi means kind of what it looks like to be admitted, to admit, to let in. Haterius, comma, ira, notice the ablative, Fabio, ira, commotus, solus, domi means at home, manebat. Adeo siwiebat, adeo, red flag word, to such an extent, siwiebat, ut dormire non posset. Quattuor dies, we saw this before, accusative expressing duration of time. Quattuor dies noctesque, what did he do for that period of time? Vigilabat. Now for the ablative expressing time when, not duration, using ablative, on the quinto die, is uxor vitelia nomine, quae nesciebat quare. This is why, leading into an indirect question. Vitelia would nomine quae nesciebat quare haterias adeo iratus esset, and here adeo is not going to lead into an indirect question, it just is so. Quare haterias was adeo iratus, describes iratus. What was she doing? Eum, referring to haterias, she was molire temptabat eum. Ingressa describes Vitellia, we know this because it's feminine, having entered hortum, ubi haterias huciluc ambulabat. What did she do to him? Eum ansia interrogavit. Eum, your object, again, haterias. Okay, good stuff there. Bunch of perfect passives, a bunch of subjunctives, a lot to deal with. Good luck with that one, and I'll see you in class.